Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be troubleshooting a non-working windshield washer spray on this 2002 Volkswagen Passat. Now, before buying any parts, do a quick troubleshooting first because you don't know what parts you need and you don't want to be wasting money on buying unnecessary parts. So let's do a quick troubleshooting first. Now, as I open the hood, you will see that water or windshield washer fluid is dripping all over the place. So that means that there's a break in the hose going from the pump to the washer spray. So let's check first the connection on the washer spray. Here is the windshield spray nozzle. Now the good thing about Volkswagens or Passats is that they have an access panel behind it so you can see the connection on the nozzle. So use a plastic panel removal tool to take off the access panel. And oh, as you can see, it's disconnected. So I'm wondering maybe it just needs to be reconnected. So let's pull the hoses. So let's try to pull the hoses together and connect it. Maybe that's all it is. Let's pull the hoses together and reconnect them and see if this works. Maybe that's all it is. So I'm turning on the car and see if the windshield washer works. It's working! That's all it was. A disconnected hose. Interesting. So now that we know that it was just a disconnected hose, I'm gonna tape the hose together to hopefully keep it in place. Now this is the only tape I have right now, so I'm gonna work with this for now. Hopefully this works. All right, I'm gonna tape it twice. Hopefully it doesn't get disconnected, but at least we know that that's the only problem. So put it back in place. And put back the plastic cover. Now let's try it again to make sure it's still working. Retesting the windshield washer spray. It's working!
Yes! Yes! Yes!
And that is one of the possible fixes for a non-working windshield washer spray on this 2002 Volkswagen Passat. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's R. Jeff, and thank you for watching.